Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials connected. Plug the Xbox HDMI out into the capture card HDMI in, then connect the card to your PC with the provided USB cable. Once done, power the capture card and launch your capture software so the device is recognized. Make sure the Xbox is set to send video through HDMI. On the console, confirm display settings, match your intended resolution and frame rate. This immediate hookup gets signal flowing and avoids later troubleshooting with cables or power. Next, in OBS or the Capture app, select the capture card as the video and audio source. This is how your PC receives the Xbox feed. Then set the canvas and output to match the Xbox resolution, 1080p at 60 frames per second for the best balance. Once selected, fine-tune bitrate and encoder to prevent stutter, and disable any pass-through overlays that can conflict. Also route game audio from the capture device into your software, so you can monitor and record clean sound. Finish by running a brief test recording to confirm video quality and audio sync. Adjust capture delay or buffer settings if lip sync is off. Make sure pass-through is connected if you want to play on a monitor or TV while recording, and watch HDR settings. Some capture cards can't handle HDR, so disable it on the Xbox if the image is blank. If you see no signal, try swapping HDMI cables, switching USB ports, or power cycling the console, capture card, and PC before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.